Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Sir, yesterday I read that media is the fourth pillar of democratic government.
Well done.
But what is the first pillar, sir?
Good question, Makar. Legislative, the lawmaking body, is considered as first pillar of democratic government.
Who are there in that body, sir?
MP and MLAs, Mr. Makar.
Oh, then what's the second pillar, sir?
Executive, the law enforcing body, is considered a second pillar.
Who are there in that body, sir?
Cabinet ministers and civil servants, my dear.
Oh, I see. Then what's the third pillar, sir?
Judiciary, the law interpreting body, is considered as third pillar of democratic government.
Oh, I see. Thank you very much, sir. You gave a lot of information.
Awesome, Mr. Makar. I appreciate your interest in learning.
But sir, I have a doubt.
Don't hesitate. Ask me.
What can we do if Parliament use its force and power to enact the laws against the interest of citizens?
Very good question, dear. Now you have gone in depth. Here comes the judiciary as a light. Using its special powers, that's judiciary review.
Sir, please tell me the functions of Supreme Court and High Courts.
Sure. Courts resolve the disputes between citizens and government, between states, between state government and center government.
Okay, sir. Anything else?
And everybody can approach the court if he or she feels injustice done. If the laws framed by legislature infringe the provision of Constitution, then the judiciary has right to declare them null or void.
Oh, it's great, sir. Give me some details in this context.
Well, now I am reminded of renowned Chief Justice of USA.
Who is he, sir?
His name is John Marshall, the fourth Chief Justice of USA. He is the one who categorically nullified the act made by Congress for the first time in the history of the world.
Why is he so famous, sir?
He is an eye-opener to the world with his judiciary review, pioneering that the acts made by the legislatives can be reviewed. He paved the way to the world and given solace to the whole world. So judicial review is above all the sacred books, giving justice, equality and fraternity to the people as promised in the preamble in the Indian Constitution, which remains as great model to the whole world.
Do the courts review every act made by the legislatives?
According to Justice Syed Shah Muhammad Quadri, 1. Judicial review of constitutional amendments. 2nd, judicial review of legislation by the Parliament and state legislatures expands to subordinate legislation. 3rd, judicial review of administrative actions of the Union and state expanding up to authorities under the state.
Sir, did the Supreme Court of India use judiciary review powers?
Yes. In Shankari Prasad vs. Union of India case. And Indira Gandhi vs. Raj Narain case in 1975.
Thank you very much, sir, for enlightening me on the judiciary review. It made me feel so astonished that the how Constitution writers under leadership to Dr. Branch Ambedkar thought of making supremacy of Constitution and protecting common man's rights. Thank you once again, sir.
Good, Mr. Makar. You are doing well. All the best.
Thank you, sir.